Yasmin, one of the creative designers here at Sizzix, and today I'll be showing you how to put together our Decorative Favor Box from Chapter 2 that's just been released. Now this die is really great for a wedding or an event. So first of all, I want to start off by cutting all of my elements for my Favor Box. I'm going to start off with the main piece. So you'll need 2 pieces of cream card. And then with this part of the die, I'm just going to place on top. So all in all, to make your box, you'll need your 2 pieces and then you'll need the tag pieces as well. So to create this part of the box, all you do is grab 1 piece and then using this part of the die, I'm just going to place down on one of the squares. And again, doing the same technique for the tag, I'm just going to place down my card and then using this element, I'm just going to pop the die on like so. So now I'm going to show you how to put the box together. So first I'm just going to back the designer with some pink card so it's not going to be see-through and you'll have a really nice colour coming through. So I'm just going to add some glue in the corners. And then place down on top. And then doing the same for the tag, I'm just going to add some glue around the outside. So where the creases are, I'm just going to fold. So again, folding in. And again. So the creases at the top, I'm not actually going to fold inwards, I'm going to fold outwards. And you'll see why when I put the box together. And you do the same for this piece as well. Okay, so I've just got some double-sided tape. And I'm just going to snip some off. And then on the flaps either side, I'm just going to place some tape down. So the reason why we folded it the other way is so we can bunch them together and add the ribbon through. So I've chosen to use some pink ribbon to complement the pink card. And I'm just going to thread through like so. And then all you're doing is pinching the 2 sides together. And the final part you want to add your tag on, so again just threading through the ribbon and then grabbing both sides and creating a nice bow. To add a really nice finishing touch, I've just got some gems and I'm going to put these on the tag and the box. As you can see, the gems add a really nice touch to the box, and you can really make it your own by changing the colours of the ribbon on the card. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video and you got some inspiration from it to make your own decorative favour box. And for more information and more ideas, don't forget to visit our website, which is sizzix.co.uk.